What's good, official gang? It's your girl Official back with another video, and today we're going to be comparing FTMo and My Forex funds, right? And if you don't know what these are two prop firms, right? They give you a funded account and they give you a challenge and they say, hey, you know what? If you beat our challenge, we're gonna let you keep this funded account, which is a lot of money, by the way. And it gives you a little head start in your Forex career, right? Let's say you don't have the capital, you don't have 10K, you don't got 20K, 100K, and guess what? They got the K's for you. All right, before we hop into this video, I just want to let you know, if you're new to my channel, I do live stream every single day, okay? Monday through Friday on YouTube. Come through, your girl catches the pips. You already know what we do. Listen, bro, we're going to be blowing up. I promise you we're going to be blowing up. Anyway, hop into my Discord. I have a free Discord chat, right? You can link with other traders. You can ask me questions. You have input. You have insider to my YouTube videos before I post them. You get to vote. You get all this knowledge and information, bruh. We chilling. We a whole family in the Discord. So why don't you join that Discord, because it's free. Click the link down below. Other than that, if you like this video, be sure to click the big thumbs up for me, click the subscribe button, and turn on your post notifications, bro. Turn them on, bro. What you doing, bro? All right, let's hop into this. Okay, so let's hop onto the My Forex Funds website. As you can see, it looks pretty dope. We got these graphics right here. Check out the artwork here. They did put in some time into this. We have home, we have programs, frequently asked questions. This is where you sign in. I'm not signed in right now, but if we scroll down here, they do have 3 different account types, right? We have rapid, we have evaluation, and then we have accelerated, right? So accelerated is more for a full-time trader already established. They just give you the straight account, right? The evaluation is the challenge, right? And that's what we're here to talk about, the challenge. So if we come down here, I'm not going to let y'all read all this. I'm actually going to break this down to you and explain to you the difference between the My Forex Funds challenge and FTMo, right? So if you heard of FTMo, it's a pretty big talk right now amongst the Forex traders. Once again, they have a verification challenge as well. You can see you can choose between 10K, 25, 50, 100, 200K. Same thing with My Forex Funds, right? You can choose between 10K all the way up to 200K, right? So I know what you're wondering, like, hey, what's the difference? Which one is better? Well, we're gonna hop over to my Excel chart, and I actually labeled out some differences for you, and I do give you my opinion at the end of the video. So let's hop over here. Bang. My Forex Fund, right? So we're just going to do an example. We'll go over the 10K challenge. And before we start, if you don't know what this is, basically it's a funded account, right? So the company gives you a demo account of $10,000 and they say, hey, you have to make this amount of money in 30 days. If not, you fail the challenge. And within that challenge, they do give you rules, which is what we're going to go over, the daily drawdowns and overall drawdowns and all of that. You may be wondering, what is the point of this, right? The point of this is, if you beat the challenge, they give you the funded account, right? So if you beat the challenge, you get the 10K account. So let's say you're someone who doesn't have a lot of money and you don't have money for trading. Well, you have no more excuse, because we have these prop firms who are establishing businesses off of our successes, right? So let's hop into this. So both companies have 2 phases, right? And these phases are a verification process, because they're not just going to give you money, right? Who's just going to give you 10K to trade with, right? They need to make sure that you can trade. So that's why we have phase 1 and phase 2. So for My Forex Funds, phase 1, you have to make 8% of the account. And what's 8% of 10K? 8% is $800. I already did the math for you. You're welcome. All right. And then phase 2, if you beat phase 1, right? So you have to beat phase 1 to move on to phase 2. If you do that, then the next goal is you have to make $500. So that's pretty cool, right? They didn't make the goal higher, they made it lower. And same thing with the FTMo. The first phase, you have to make 10%. But guess what? 10% of 10K is $1,000. So that is a big difference, right? With My Forex Funds, you only got to go for 8. With FTMo, you got to go for 1,000, right? And then phase 2 is the same. You got to go for $500. All right, so let's go over the minimum trading days. So minimum trading days. Let's say you hit phase 1 in one trade. Let's say you hit $800 or $1,000 in one day. Well, none of that matters, because you have to trade for a minimum of 10 days, right? So you still have 9 other different days you need to trade on, right? So my advice to you is, if you did hit it in one day, that's really good luck. But lower your lot size. Don't be dumb. Don't be trying to lose a lot. Just lower your lot size and just trade for 9 more days. You know what I mean? And pass the challenge. Let's go on to the next one. Daily drawdown, right? So daily drawdown is the max amount of money you can lose in one day, right? So let's say you're trading on both of these. The daily drawdown is $500. Let's say you lose $600 on a trade. Well, then you lost the whole challenge. You know what I mean? That's the point of the daily drawdown. So you want to make sure you're managing risk, you're managing your lot sizes, you're not over leveraging, that you're taking smart trades, because if you hit this daily drawdown, no matter what, you will lose the challenge. All right, now let's check out the overall drawdown. So the overall drawdown is how much you can be down before they close your account, right? So on my Forex fund, the overall drawdown is $1,200. Right, so all you got to do is just minus that from 10K and you're gonna get $8,800, right? So any point in time throughout you trading, if your account is below $8,800, you lost the challenge. Same thing with FTMo. Now check this out, the daily drawdown is a little bit higher, it's 9K, right? As soon as you hit 9K, you're done. Like, you lost the challenge, right? So two big things I want to point out to you is my Forex funds, they're only making you go for 800, and you have a little bit of more breathing room on your trades because your overall drawdown is 1200 versus FTMo, you got to go for a little bit more money. However, your drawdown is a little closer than what you would want, right? So far my Forex funds does give you a lot more breathing room, right? Let's go down to profit splits. Profit splits, this is very, very important, right? This may be the most important thing up here because it's your money. You don't want people to play with your money now. All right, profit splits is 85% and 15%. What does this mean? Well, this means, let's say you do pass the challenge and they do give you the account. Well, they do pay you bi-weekly, both companies. You know, you can set that up yourself. Anyway, when they do pay you, let's say you make $1,000. You're not getting $1,000. It's a profit split. This is how the company makes money. You're getting 85% of that $1,000. So let's say you made $1,000, you're gonna get $850, right? And the fee that you pay them is $150 because that's 15%. Right, now let's bring it over here to my Forex fund, my Forex funds. Let's bring it over here to FTMo. Let's say you made $1,000, right? We're fast forward, you beat the challenge, you have the funded account, you made $1,000. Well, you're only keeping $700 and $300 goes to FTMo. Yes, I know. But why is this important? You may say, oh, Linz, $850 and $700 is kind of close. Well, guess what? That's $150 off that you don't have. And guess another thing, you didn't take taxes into consideration. So if my Forex funds is taking 15% of your money, and we'll say taxes is taking 30% at the end of the year, you know, that's 45% of your money you don't have. Now let's hop over here. FTMO is taking 30% and then taxes takes 30%. That's 60% of your money. Would you rather have someone take 45% of your money or take 60% of your money? Obviously you want to keep all the money you can. So overall, so far, this is still seeming like the better move, my Forex funds, right? Now let's hop on down to leverage. Leverage is 1 to 100. You know, it's pretty good leverage. They allow you to use the lot sizes you need to win the challenge and to also not lose the challenge. So we're not really going to go over leverage. Refundable fees. Now this is the fee you have to pay to get the funded account, right? This is the fee you pay to take the challenge, right? Because who's just going to give you a 10K challenge for free? Nobody, bro. Okay, so my Forex funds charges you $84. It's a one-time fee for this funded account. That's how much this costs, right? And if you go over to FTMo, the 10K account costs $155, right? And again, this is just for the challenge. And the reason this is called refundable fee is, guess what? If you beat the challenge at the end of both phases, you get your fee back. You get the fee you paid back. That's amazing, bro. That is really amazing. But check this out. Look at the price differences here. My Forex funds is $84 and FTMo is $155, right? If you don't know, FTMo has been out way longer than my Forex funds. My Forex funds is a newer company. So, you know, they're coming in with some competitive prices. You know, they're being very similar, but they're really trying to sell their company here. If you can't tell, like they're being very competitive, and I think they're winning on that. Now let's hop on down to monthly fees. Some prop firms do charge you monthly fees that are like really insane, but guess what? My Forex funds does not charge you a monthly fee. The only fee you pay is the fee you paid when you first got the account, and that's it. You don't pay nothing, right? There's no hidden fees, there's no nothing. Same thing with FTMo. There are no hidden fees, there's no monthly fee. It's just straight up what it is. And let's hop on down to the news. This is very important because You know, if you're a Forex trader, you know that news is very volatile to the market, and news is something that a lot of people trade. And guess what? With my Forex funds, they do allow you to trade the news. They allow you to trade the news. That's amazing, right? In FTMo, you know, they do not allow you to trade the news. And I think they do that for volatility purposes, right? You know, with the type of drawdowns you have with them, the limits, I mean, if I were you, I wouldn't want to trade the news either. You know what I mean? You may just lose the challenge. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much the differences between these two. If you want to know my overall opinion, you know, if you're wondering which one I think is the best, it is very obvious my Forex funds is the best one to me. I actually did this myself, and to see like, hey, which one's better. And I do use my Forex funds right now. I am going to be doing the challenge. So if you want to follow my challenge, I may be making a video about it, and I'm gonna show you my success rate. I'm gonna show you if I win, I'm gonna show you if I lose. All right, but with that said, I do have a link down below for my Forex fund. It is my personal affiliate link, and again, you know, I am liking them. The profit splits are better, the refundable fees is a lot smaller, and you know, the targets are a little bit more easier to hit than FTMo, right? And they give your trades more breathing room. So, you know, that's just my personal opinion. I like my Forex funds better, but it really doesn't matter which one you go with. You know, it is up to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I do appreciate y'all continuous love and support watching my videos. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, click the subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and check out my other videos, because your girl got the content. I got some good value up here. I don't know, listen, hey, we pay bills on this channel. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, bro.